Welcome to the French Drainman channel. I'm Robert Sherwood. I get asked in the comments section on our channel a lot, do you put stone under your pipe? No, I don't have to. And this comes up all the time, so I'm just going to do a short video on it. Okay, so the guys that are trying to tell you not to use our fabric, our double punch, non-woven geotextile fabric, they're telling you to put stone under the pipe. And I'm going to show you why. Okay, so here's a visual. No geo fabric. Yeah, you got to put stone under the pipe. Otherwise, the pipe, when it sinks into the clay, into the mud, I mean, you got a water problem, so the subsoil gets saturated during the spring and fall, the rainy season. Okay, this is the reality. If you don't use a non-woven geotextile fabric soil separator from your French drain that is punched twice like ours for increased flow rating so you don't have issues, this is what happens. This is what they're not telling you. They say, yeah, you want to put stone under the pipe. Well, if you don't use the fabric, you see what you get. So we're able to put our pipe right down on the fabric that mud during the rainy season doesn't end up filling the void of your pipe, the void which moves the water, the void between your stone, that void which moves water. The geotextile non-woven filter fabric has never disappointed me, and it's never caused a problem with a system in 35 years that I've installed. So I recommend it no matter where you live. There's so many benefits, it's endless, but the last thing it does is harm your system. It's all pluses. It's all benefits. So there's our fabric. We're using a non-woven geotextile fabric. And what's really amazing about this commercial grade is the fact that we put it through a process and we have it punched twice. So there's thousands and thousands and thousands of little holes. So one of the questions I get asked often is, can't I just build it without the fabric? Okay, so we don't use the fabric, let's say. So, you know, during the rainy season, the lawnmower's running over your French drain. I don't know what you have for equipment to cut grass, but most people are riding lawnmowers these days. They're not walking behind a real mower, like a light mower that you push that's not motorized. Those days are behind us. So now look what happened to the voids. All the voids that would normally move water. That's why you put stone in the drain. You put stone in the drain so that the voids between the stone can move the water. And that's why you put a pipe in the stone, because it creates a monster void, okay? So instead of losing all this void, like this is a mess. Like the bottom of this French drain without non-woven geotextile fabric, double punched, is short-lived. It has an expiration date at the time of build because you didn't use the geo fabric. You listen to some chuck in a truck that thinks he's a 10 in contractor world and he's rated about a 1.5. Okay, now the mud can't come up in between the voids on this stone, okay? Now, we actually do something a little different than other companies, and I'll tell you why. So we put in the pipe first, and we lay it right on the fabric. We got fabric here, so I don't have to worry about mud filling the pipe. Clay, when it's wet, that's mud, dirt, clay. So we lay our pipe right on the fabric. Then we pour the stone over top of the pipe. And we've shown this in videos time and time again, but I just wanted to give you guys a visual. Seemed like it was worth going over once more. All right, everybody. Until that next video.